VPN360 is a popular VPN service, but before you commit, there are a few things you should know that could help you decide if it's the right fit. While VPN360 promises security and privacy, let's dive into some key factors to consider before making your purchase. First thing to know is VPN360 offers a free version, but its features are limited. Unlike some competitors, like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, which provide robust free trials, VPN360's free version only gives you access to basic server options and slower speeds. If you need more than the basics, you'll likely need to pay for the premium version. Next thing to keep in mind is its server selection. VPN360 has servers in a number of countries, but it's not as expansive as top-tier services like CyberGhost or Surfshark. If you're looking for extensive global coverage, you might feel a bit restricted with VPN360. The third thing you need to know is the speed. VPN360 provides decent speeds, especially with the premium version, but again, it lags behind some of the competition. VPNs like ExpressVPN and NordVPN are known for their consistently fast speeds, even with long-distance connections. So, if speed is critical for activities like streaming or gaming, you might want to think twice. Fourth thing to consider is its encryption and security features. VPN360 offers standard AES 256 encryption, which is what you'd expect from most VPNs, but it doesn't have some of the advanced security features of competitors. For example, it lacks a kill switch and the split tunneling options found in top-tier VPNs. This means you won't have as much control over your data when the connection drops, or when you want to route certain apps outside the VPN. Fifth, VPN360 does keep some minimal logs, which could be a deal breaker for privacy-conscious users. While it doesn't log personally identifiable information, some other VPNs, like ProtonVPN, are known for their strict no-logs policies, making them a better choice for those who prioritize privacy. The sixth thing to note is the user interface. VPN360 is easy to use, especially for beginners. It has a clean, simple design, which is great for anyone who doesn't want to deal with complicated settings. However, some competitors like Surfshark and ExpressVPN offer even more polished interfaces with additional features for advanced users. Next, let's talk about customer support. VPN360 offers 24/7 support, but user reviews show mixed experiences with their response times and helpfulness. If you're someone who values fast, reliable support, you might find competitors like NordVPN or CyberGhost more responsive when you run into issues. Seventh, VPN360's mobile app is fairly solid and offers almost all the same features as its desktop version. However, compared to competitors like TunnelBear or ProtonVPN, it could be a bit more polished and responsive, especially in terms of server switching and app stability. Eighth thing to mention is the pricing. VPN360 offers affordable pricing plans that are competitive with other budget-friendly VPNs. While it's cheaper than some high-end services, it's important to weigh the limited features you get in comparison to options like Surfshark or NordVPN, which offer more comprehensive services at just a slightly higher price. The ninth thing to keep in mind is streaming. VPN360 unblocks popular streaming sites like Netflix and BBC iPlayer, but it's not as reliable as more dedicated streaming VPNs like ExpressVPN. If streaming content is a primary concern, you might not get the same consistent access with VPN360 as you would with other services. The 10th thing you should know is its support for torrenting. While VPN360 does allow P2P file sharing, it doesn't provide dedicated P2P servers or the same speed and privacy options that services like NordVPN or CyberGhost offer for torrenting. Next, let's discuss its compatibility with different platforms. VPN360 works with Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android devices, but it doesn't support some niche platforms like Linux as smoothly as other VPNs. So, if you're using less common devices or OS, you might find more flexibility with VPNs like ExpressVPN. The 12th and final point is that VPN360